This here's the lower control arms, as you can read in the title, for the 2005 Honda Pilot. Now, it's a pretty easy job. Well, it should be pretty easy. We got some rust, so we're gonna have to fight through that. First things first, I just started right here. I did the other side, I forgot which bolt went where. So anyways, this is a 19mm bolt, right here, go straight down, done. Over here on the lower ball joint, you're gonna have some sort of nut and bolt setup. This one happens to have a castle nut. It's one of those locking ones, so you just gotta take the lock, bring it out, or not, or don't, I don't know. It's not gonna cooperate with me right now. That's what it looks like. Get rid of that. Okay, so we knocked that loose, so that's good. That next part you're gonna need swivel, but it's also a 19mm. Just remember, the longest bolt goes on that one right there. So all right, that's it. Now let's just get it out of the lower control arm, the knuckle. Like that. We're gonna pull it out of this side and hinge it over there. It's the best way to do it, I think. Like I said, I'm just gonna like hinge it this way and pull out. Alright, so we're gonna do the same as before, but this time a little different. We're gonna be doing it backwards, but I'm going to fully install this bolt. This is a good tip, because once you get all this stuff lined up, because you You gotta get to a point where you can lift up on this control arm. So you gotta lift up as high as you can get it so that these two holes line up. Wow. It'd be a lot easier if you weren't in my way. Yep, get out of my way. So I'm angling the lower ball joint downwards while I'm lifting up the back part, but it's very hard. So it's a pain to set up, but trust me, it's the path of least resistance with that that side over here. Because if this is angled, if that part's angled and those two holes are not lined up perfectly, you gotta drop this and do it all over again. So you don't want to do that. So we're gonna drive this in like we did the other one. Now we don't want to tighten it. Take my pry bar, go down with this. Oh. Oh, your new ball joint will be a lot stiffer. So, you know, be prepared for that. There. So what I'm doing now is I'm using a jack to jack up the lower control arm only, just to level it out before I completely tighten it up. So this is kind of what it would look like on a normal ride height. So like I said, I'll go ahead and tighten everything back up. There's that. There's that. Essentially, you got to line up this castle nut so that you can get a cotter pin through. There's actual torque specs for this, but I really don't know how you would torque this down when you can't, you know, get a torque wrench in here. What do I know though? Okay, that's it. Now we'll take the supplied cotter pin and then find the hole. I can't, because you guys are right there, I can't see it, but okay, there it is. And there you have it. Just bend those one way or another. And that was $1,200 for both sides. But yeah, that's $1,200 right there. So save yourself $1,200. There we go. Pick yourself up some nice high quality low control arms yourself for a couple bucks. and do it yourself. Even if you bought the 3 or 4 tools that you need to do this job, you're still going to save yourself probably $1,000. So there, I just saved you a lot of money. So since I saved you a lot of money, hit that super like or super thanks buttons, whatever it's called, make a donation. If you don't want to feel like doing that, down in the description is a link for the really high quality LED bulbs. You can price them out for this car. Down there is a coupon code and a referral. At least do that. And yeah, see you guys next time. Like, subscribe, and save some money.